P-51 Mustangs Flat Pass.
Again, under some sleep control, the F-22 Raptor will actually slide backwards.
I've been having
Great nation. This will be your best photo opportunity, so get your cameras ready to capture this salute. Now, from behind and to the right, the Ladies and gentlemen, prepare for Freedom's Thunder on the high-speed pass.
Oh my God!
It might bring down there. I don't know.
Oh my God! Back up there, kid.
No, she's not doing it. No, it's not going to be like that.
I hope he does, because everybody somebody kid. Yeah. Oh my God.
The F-22 will now set up to perform a Hoover pitch. This maneuver is a double height, named after the late legendary Bob Hoover. The Raptors Hoover pitch. Powerful engines allow the F-22 to flow more than 9 times the force of gravity. Watch from the right as the Raptor demonstrates its tight turn capability with a minimum radius horizontal turn and then power straight up into the moon. Then watch as Captain Martin changes his direction with the amazing J-turn reposition. firepower of the Raptor comes in a combination of 8 missiles and up to 8 precision satellite-guided bombs. The F-22 multi-role
What they do
with the fully
is a fighter.
Yeah, fire.
radio cameras of the Raptor breaks in from the left and cycles its weapons bay doors. Ladies and gentlemen, we would like to dedicate this next pass to the men and women of the armed forces and their families who support them. We would also in from the left, the F-22 Raptor's tactical pitch to pedal turn.
Where did it take off from? Because, like,
Show live.
You can get a ride on this fantastic vintage war machine. Head on over to the Army Aviation.
Alright, we're going to come on in here and get us a little hammerhead going, turn us around, and just showing off some of the things that the Super Scatmon does well as a good basic aerobatic airplane.
He's flown more than 166 different types of aircraft. He's flown Cubs, corporate jets, resulting in more than 20,000 hours of flight time. He holds FAA certificates, ATP, commercial engine, CFI, CFIM. He's tied to the Learjet, Westwind, G100, Astra, CJ525, and the Hawker. In addition, he is an airframe and power plant mechanic with inspection authorization and is an aerobatic competency examiner for the International Council of Air Shows. Ladies and gentlemen, this is just a teaser of what Wild Horse Aviation has yet to show us later on in the Today Show. He is the president of Wild Horse Aviation, a company that specializes in aircraft acquisition, maintenance, fabrication, and export. The aircraft you're seeing is a highly modified Pitts S2S. As Buck rolls it over the top, he comes nose down back to show center. This is where he builds up the airspeed. All of our aerobatic performers are performing inside of a big invisible box on the airfield. A sterile area that's only for us. All of the airspace around us is completely off limits to everybody else in the skies. But Buck Roman is going to rip it up right here over PeachTree City, Georgia. That's the avalanche loop. A snap roll on the top is going to bring it back to show center. Pulling that aircraft up in the skies with the power of the engine. Watch what happens when Buck gets to the top of the tower. He's going to step on the rudder pedal. Bringing it back down, looking at nothing but Georgia terra firma in the windscreen. Buck will pull up to 6 to 8 G's during his performance later today. As he rolls that aircraft on the upline, here's the shoulder roll tumbling through the skies. And Wild Horse Aviation. Buck has what's known as a surface level control. He can do aerobatics all the way down to the ground. And ladies and gentlemen, he's not afraid to use it. He's flipped Wild Horse inverted. Coming down the show line, ladies and gentlemen, closing in. And snapped it across it. Ladies and gentlemen, that's Buck Roman and Wild Horse Aviation.
We want to make this our leadership. We got some great people. We would love to have you come join us. Spend time with us. It's a tremendous opportunity.
Entering the box, you see the team in the Spirit formation. J.R. Jedi Billy, Mike Sparky Bowler, Ben Gucci Ellington, John Poltergeist, Ed Fly Martian, Jim Son. Give them a big wave, George, and they're waving to you.
Looks like the Cobra has located the down pilots by the beeping sound from the down aircraft survival radios. Let's take a closer look.
Got it operational, and now we've been flying it. Just get an opportunity to go by and see it. You can walk down there.
Baker. Entering the box, you see